Got it, right?
Yes, we're good now. All right, it's Eric from Outdoor Retailer Summer Market 2018, and I'm here with Narendra from Vaan and Company. Vaan and Company repurposes, or we can call it upcycling, scrap leather from leather production of garments, jackets, bags, and whatnot. The leftover scrap leather, they're taking it and by utilizing patches, making a whole new line of bags and accessories.
Yeah.
And each one's unique. You have a great story about your production and your supply chain. And Narendra, can you tell us a little bit about Vaan and Company and how you guys got started?
Yes.
And what we're looking at?
Yeah. See, I was going through the various things in upcycling, the trend of upcycling. Well, I saw the things in clothing, I saw upcycling in canvas, I saw upcycling in tires, I saw upcycling in bottles, various other things. So I am a designer, so I had imagined if I use this upcycling in leather. So this thought came to me when I was quite motivated to see that upcycling of canvas is going on in a very big way. So I decided
Give me
to
an example of that.
Yeah, upcycling of leather means that we collect the swatches of the leather from the garment factories, who makes the shoes, who makes the clothing, who makes accessories, the leftover scraps from them, and then we patch them together, we make a sheet out of it, and then we make the bags.
Okay.
So that's known as the upcycling. Okay, basically upcycling means that we create the product using the scrap leather, but defining into a good stitching. It has the equal value of a new product. Whereas the recycling means when you recycle a thing, you take from a scrap, or no, you take from a waste and you make something which is cheaper. But our products are not cheaper because they are hand patched and it involves the same steps to make a new bag. So it is a sort of conversion to
Confusing?
no, it is known as the we conserve the
conserving. I'm sorry.
Yeah, conserving the environment and defining green. So that's what is our main purpose for that. And when I had made this upcycling leather products, at that time I was very satisfied because I was the only one doing it.
Right. Okay.
So we are the pioneers in this upcycling of leather products for sure. And now we have carried on, we will be carrying on this upcycling of the leather with a combination of jute and maybe combination of canvas is already there. And even the upcycling of canvas we do, that we buy the reject lots of the canvases from the factories and we print at the back side of them.
Okay.
So that is also being used in the production of our bags. So in every way we are defining green. So that's what our first step was, to do something totally green.
But so in defining green, you really have to add value.
Yes. So the value is there in the sense that our products are of the equal value of a new product. Means that it is not that it is upcycling, it has to be cheaper. No, because see this piece, the amount of patching goes inside and amount of the stitching and the accessories used is equivalent to the new product.
Yes.
So we have defined upcycling in the value of the same exact value of a new product.
So all other things being equal.
Exactly. But the only thing is that we have saved nature and defined green. If these pieces would have been thrown in the garbage, so that would have been decomposed, it would have taken a long time. So that's also the thing was.
There are costs involved with throwing stuff in the trash.
Yes.
Can you talk about that a little bit?
I don't think so. It is much of that because that happens only in the Western countries like US, but not in the third world countries like India and so on and so.
If there's any value in it, it's getting lost.
Yeah, but it's just being thrown away. That's it, right? So, but what we what we have done is that we have created a sort of revolution in just getting all those pieces together and then making a patchwork. So it is involved a lot of patching, hand patching, and hand sewing. So it is basically the true sense of upcycling.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So if you want to find out more about Vaan and Company, good place to look for it is
Vaan and CO at gmail.com.
awesome.
And my name is Narendra Dhawan, and I am the pioneer in the field of upcycling of leather, for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Narendra.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.